Welcome back to the shop, guys. This week on the channel, we're gonna build a man cave sign for my dad. I think it's gonna be pretty cool, so stick around. I'm Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company, and let's build something. Ta-da! I had an old scrap piece of 4x4 cedar, two of them, so I went ahead and cut them down on the table saw and resawed them. Then I'm just going to join one edge and plane both sides, and I think I got it down to about 3/4 of an inch. Here I'm going to run them all through the joiner at the same time, and then I'm going to go book match them together. Here I'm just laying it out, and I had to actually run to the joiner and rejoint one side so I had a really tight fit. Now I like gluing things up on my table saw because it's so flat and easy to get on all sides of it to clean it up. So I just throw some paper over top of my table saw and spread the glue heavy and then glue it up. I'm going to grab a wet rag from inside, and you want to see that sweet, sweet glue squeeze out. I'm just going to repeat the process and glue the two larger panels together, cleaning up the glue along the way. If you like fun and creative videos like that, hit that subscribe button. Do it, and do it now. I'm using the Typemon 3 glue here for this sign. It's going to be outside, so I want it to be water resistant. I also made this cool sign to remind me to turn off my compressor so in the middle of the night it just doesn't click on. I'm going to stain the sign, but there was a lot happening in the shop right here. My wife needed me to drill a hole in the bottom of a pot for drainage. There was a lot going on here, so I'm just going to wipe this stain on, wipe it off, stain the other side, and wipe that off as well. My father wanted a bear on his sign, so I'm going to hop into the easel project page and just search for a bear. This is the one I chose, and I'm just going to copy it into my easel account, reverse it, and design the sign. The easel software is so easy to use. If you're thinking about getting an X-Carve, I'm actually computer illiterate, and you can actually watch me here do this. I've actually only owned a computer for about 6 months, and it's so intuitive and easy to use. Man, I would just recommend the easels all day long. So I'm getting to where I'm really happy with it, so I'm just about to start the carve. If you want to support the channel, check out my store, Erickson Design Company /merch on Streamlabs. There's a link in the description below. You get hats, t-shirts, and stickers. It's a great way to support it, and I really appreciate the love. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, I do previews to all these projects, and it's a great way to stay in the loop. Now here I have my baby monitor inside of my X-Carve. This is so I can keep an eye on it at all times when it's carving. Trust me, this actually came in handy when the machine had bound up and I was able to run outside and hit the emergency stop button. I'm just going to vacuum it off and slowly start to peel off the tape. This is where all the signs really come to life as you peel the tape back and reveal the sweet, smooth carve provided by the X-Carve. What a cool project. This X-Carve is unstoppable. If you like videos like this, like, subscribe, and share. Check out my other videos right here. And I'm Stoner Erickson from Erickson Design Company, and we build something. Ta-da!